Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to use the control solution, okay? It should look like these two little bottles right here. One should say 1 on it and the other should say 2 on it. And these are super important, and the reason that you do this test is to make sure that it can read the low value and the high value of your blood sugar. So say, what if your blood sugar was 60, which is kind of on the low side? You want your glucometer to pick that number up, but you don't know if your glucometer is working unless you do this control test. So that's why we're going to do the control test. So you need one of your test strips, and go ahead and put that in the bottom there. Just slide it in. And once you slide it in, sometimes if it's already off, it'll turn on, okay? So then it's ready. And what you do is you take number 1 first. Let's do number 1 first. So put everything else down, open the little bottle of number 1, and what you want to make sure, let's make sure that's in there correctly. And it's going to just suck it up like a little tongue, okay? So just let it suck it right up in there. And then it'll start reading it. And mine showed 44. So then you go to your test strips right here, go to level 1 because we used bottle 1, and you look at the number and it says 30 to 60, and you make sure this number that you're getting on your glucometer falls between those numbers. So I got 44, and that's between 30 and 60, so we're good with that one. So now let's test the second one. So you need a new test strip to test the next one. Go ahead, put that in your glucometer as well. Get your next bottle of the control solution and open it up and do the same thing. Let it suck it up in there like this. Okay, and then it'll give you a reading. 294. So go back to your bottle. Now you're going to look at level 2, and because you used bottle 2, right? Look at the number and make sure this number is between this number, and it is. So we're good. So it picks up both the low value and the high value. That means your glucometer is working. Now, one thing else that you want to do too is you want to make sure that you get a new box of control solution if it's over 90 days, if it's been over 90 days since you opened that control solution. So the clock starts ticking once you open the control solution. So go ahead and write on your box the day that you opened it. That way you'll always know that 90 days from that day that you need new control solution, because that's just from the manufacturer, that's the date in which those control solutions expire. So if you don't change them out, it could not be accurate. All right, and that's how you use the control solution. And we will move on to now testing your blood sugar.